Hello everyone, I am Sanjeev Kumar and today I am going to discuss my project about screening advanced demo. In digital payments, one of the biggest challenges is ensuring safe onboarding while meeting KYC, AML compliance. Many current systems are black boxes. They say someone is high risk but don't explain why. This creates problem for both trust and audits. Our solution fixes this. We built a buyer screening system that classify user into low, medium, or high risk. But what makes it powerful is that it always provide transparent revision code instead of just saying and high risk. It explains KYC incomplete or paper flagged or abnormal transaction velocity. This helps compliance teams take action quickly and fairly. Here's how the system works. First, buyer data like KYC details and jurisdiction and transaction patterns are collected. Then our hybrid risk engine combines rules and machine learning, analyzes the data. It also checks external sources like sanction list and AML watch list. Finally, the output is shown in a sample dashboard with risk categories and clear explanation. Now let me explain the code. Work behind the scene. We used Python. We used Python extremely to build a lit with demo dashboard. The process starts with CSV file containing buyer data. Each row represents a buyer with field like KYC status, PAP flag, AML flag, and transaction velocity. In the code, in the code, we define a simple classification function. For example, if KYC is incomplete, the system adds KYC incomplete to revision code. If a buyer is flagged as a PAP or in a AML risk, their risk is immediately set to high. If the velocity of transaction is unusual, that's also flagged a function then that also flagged the function then output two things, the risk categories and the list of regions. Once the logic is across, now let's see the prototype how it's work. We have a buyers, for example, we have a B, example buyer B 00123. If we select a buyer 1, then it's for the scores of buyer. Here is your goal risk and probability model region course rules, and here the features also shows average text amount KYC completed, country risk is paper, text count 1 is takes large count, the low features wishful model, and if we select example 2, then it so scores bias is high, probability model is given here, and a feature contributes like country risk KYC completed, average text is paper, text count takes large count, takes large count, and the impact of the solution is significant. It enables safer onboarding, ensure regulatory compliance, and scales to millions of buyers. And in our roadmap, we plan to integrate live sanction API and continuous monitoring so buyer can uh, re-score dynamically. In short, our project uh, makes buyer screening faster uh, and transparent, trustworthy. Exactly what the future of global payment requires. Thank you for watching.